My name is Brent Barcimo. I have worked for a major aerospace company for the last 14 years. The engineering leadership program specifically, I found that the content was immediately actionable, things that I could take to the workplace and immediately start utilizing that to be a better professional. I think the thing that really first excited me when I was first getting into the program was just that I was going to be affiliated with Stanford. Everything about the course was super high quality, and of course, you have 60 days to complete each specific class, and so it gives you plenty of time. Every single presenter, Bob Sutton, Rita Cotilla, Maggie Neal, they're all fantastic. You're really learning from some amazing individuals. I think a lot of people learn and they don't actually apply. And so the hardest part for me after gaining this knowledge was to actually just have the courage to utilize that knowledge. And of course, once I start, practicing some of the things that I'm learning, it's kind of sharing it with everyone else as well. Talking to other individuals, I would say that these certificates have an outsized value because you're seeking knowledge, you're trying to better yourself, you're trying to stay relevant. And of course, these specific courses from Stanford, it's something that shows up on a resume. I think it's a highlight in your resume, and it's something that I'm, proud of accomplishing.